All right, guys, here's my typical backpacking equipment that I'll take when I do my go into the Sierras there. So let's start with the sleeping arrangement that I got here. So last year I went and got the Topquilt from Outdoor Vitals. It's called, I think, the Stormloft. And I think this is a 15 degree, but it worked out really good last year. That's the blue one. And then I have the Sea to Summit, kind of a luxury, big pillow, ultralight. I think it's called the Deluxe. And then again, another luxury thing that I have. This is, I think, a 4-inch high Etherlight XT from Sea to Summit, the long. And then I always have this little real thin 1/8 inch Outdoor Vitals mat that I use, that I sit on during my breaks and then put underneath so I don't pop the air mattress. I also have the Hyperlite MID tent, super light, and then it's also got the tent stakes in there that I think they're like graphite or something like that, but it's also ultralight. And then I have my Hyperlite, it used to be called the 3400 Southwest. Now I think it's called, I think it's the 55, the Southwest 55, and with the shoulder pack for my cell phone and some other stuff. But I mean, obviously, weighs nothing. I have my Black Diamond trekking poles. Have been for years. I have the Jetboil. I think this one is, I can't remember what it is, but with the 100-gram Jetboil can and stand there. I have basically a super ultralight poop scoop. I have the Sea to Summit long spoon. This all goes into, some of my other small bags there. I have a little head net from Sea to Summit. I have Snowline micro spikes. I have Black Diamond headlamp. I got some paracord, some sunscreen, some gaiters, small pocket knife. We have the little portable toothbrush, a pen, another luxury item, a little flex tail air pump, because I hate trying to fill my stuff up. So I take this little ultralight air pump. Obviously some butt butter, moleskin and band-aids and some tape, some duct tape, ear pods. I have this Nightcore ultralight battery pack with the iPhone charger. I have a couple AA battery or AAA batteries, another extra lighter. This is the what do you call it? Suntoe compass with reflective mirror and a signal mirror. I got my, I usually get this every year, a little Sawyer water filtration. Not proud of these Crocs, but they work really good. They're super light and they're adjustable, so you can tie them when you're going across the bigger rivers. You can pull them tight. I have this Wild Ideas carbon fiber titanium bear canister. Being in the Sierras, you got to have that bear canister, so that's the lightest one it comes with. I use 2 smart bottle waters. I always have a paper map, and that's pretty much it, other than my clothes, which I could do a different video as far as on the clothes, and then my shoes will be included in that. And then obviously we could do some meals, but this is pretty much the whole setup. that gets put in there.